Looking for an email generator to write effective and compelling emails? Use our AI email creator to craft compelling emails for your audience. Whether you want to connect with your newsletter subscribers or want to write an email for formal correspondence, our AI writing assistant offers you the best email generator use case. Hello everyone, I am Sarah, and I am here to assist you in using WriteMe AI. Today I am going to share how you can use WriteMe AI to write high-converting, professional and compelling emails in a few easy steps. As you know, first you have to select your desired language, your tone of voice, and your preferred use case. Then input some relevant information such as keywords, phrases, main context, titles, and goal of writing. Finally, simply click Write Me. That's it. Your professional email is ready to send out to your email list. Use WriteMe AI Creator to write compelling email marketing copies for your email marketing campaign. I hope that we are providing you with complete details on how to use WriteMe AI Creator to generate meaningful content for you. If not, please tell us in the comments section. Thanks. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.